Everyone, in the last class we have seen about ear, structure of ear, functioning of ear, etc. So in this class we are going to see important definitions. So vibration is one of the most important definition. Vibration का definition क्या है? The to and fro motion of a body. To and fro motion of a body is called vibration. Next definition, amplitude. Amplitude का definition क्या है? The maximum displacement of vibrating body. Maximum displacement of vibrating body is called amplitude. These two are the most important definition to learn. This will come in exam also. And next definition is pitch. Pitch means the shrillness of sound. Next, frequency. Frequency is number of vibrations per second. What is the frequency definition? Number of vibrations per second. Next, music. The sounds which are produced in order are called music. And what is noise? The sounds which are produced in not in order and which are unpleasant to hear. And this noise will lead to sound pollution. And noise will lead to sound pollution, and sound is measured in units called डेसिबल्स. साउंड का यूनिट क्या है? डेसिबल्स. जैसा हम लेंथ को सेंटीमीटर्स में मेजर करते हैं, सेम साउंड को कैसा मेजर करते हैं हम? डेसिबल्स में. सो ऑडिबल रेंज मीन्स विच वी कैन हियर normally are 20 vibrations or 20 decibels to 20,000 decibels. Between this range we can hear. Okay, we can hear till that. And sound pollution causes tensions, increase in blood pressure and sleeplessness. How we can control sound pollution? By reducing the silencer sound, by reducing the machine's sound, TV volume we have to reduce, and the most important thing is we have to plant more trees. And ये lesson के पीछे पेज नंबर 81 में what we have learned बोल के important points है. For the assignment you write all that important points 2 times. Where are they? Page number 81 में है. देखो what we have learned, write 2 times. This is assignment for today. Okay, thank you.